Hey everybody, it's Andrew here again. Interesting day again. It's shaping up to be lots of fun. Just got a cease and desist warning from our dear friend Fudgy Judgy, and just wanted to sort of respond to him publicly. The image on the right here more or less depicts what I'm going to send back to him. So we'll just go through it. Look, once again, I'm not doing this for any sort of... I'm doing this because I truly believe that this guy is an absolute scam artist. In fact, I just got off a call with somebody. I was speaking to this gentleman in the States for about half an hour who feels the same way as I do. He's a little bit further down the track than what I am. And yeah, what he told me, some of the things I learnt on through having that conversation, look, seriously, it's even way worse than what we ever thought it was. Some people have put in hundreds of thousands of dollars into this program. Some people have lost their houses. Some people have given all their assets and everything away to this criminal. We don't believe he's in Hong Kong. I mean, if he doesn't want to be found, why would he be telling us that he's in Hong Kong? We don't know where he is, but certainly there's a lot of people on his tail at the moment, and he's just an absolute criminal in my view. And I'm going to do everything that I can to protect those that are already involved and those that are even thinking about getting involved, because I've just never ever come across such an evil person. So this is his cease and desist notice. It's from so-called Peter Tan and Associates. Obviously you can't find anything about these people. If we go to his email here, Chief Judge, he's a self-proclaimed judge, he's not a judge as we know. This is his email address here, secamtechtribe.org. But there's no website associated with this address. He keeps saying that it's a secure email address, but it's not. It's just, look where he's bought it from, Namecheap. Nothing wrong with Namecheap, by the way, but it's just an ordinary email address and no website associated with it. So first up, I wanted to start off by saying to the judge himself, or Naidu himself, Fudgy Judgy, I'll cease and desist when you tell us and prove to us your physical address so that we in return can send you a cease and desist notice. That's the deal. I'm not stopping, and neither are my colleagues involved with this. We are here we're going to continue on until you go away, and until you're caught, because I say this to your face, I'm looking at right in the camera, Judge, you are a bloody criminal and you need to be brought to task. So we'll go through this email. It's been sitting there on the desktop, so you probably read it anyway. You are hereby issued a cease and desist warning to remove the smear campaign you have begun on YouTube. I'd like to point out that he's got a smear campaign going against me too. He's called me a devil worshipper and all sorts of other things. We demand, I don't know who we is, but we demand that you post an apology as a YouTube presentation for all the reckless, defamatory, libelous and scandalous remarks you have made about Judge Naidu. See, this is the thing, this email is coming from Judge Naidu, because here's his email address, but he's sent it as though it's coming from Peter Tan and Associates. It's just out of control. And of course my response to that is I will not be apologising in any way, shape or form. Fakey Judgy, and that's my response. In fact, in the event you do not accede to our request within 7 days starting today, we will commence legal proceeding against you and your estate in Australia for defamation, libel and slander. We are already in conference with some top Australian solicitors who handle defamation. Let me tell you, I doubt if any top, and no legal person in their right mind would use a top in that sentence, would get involved with you. They wouldn't want to have anything to do with you. We will make sure that you cannot prevail in court, because all we need to evidence in court, which once again poor grammar, is the judge's credentials as issued by various countries, including Aotearoa, which is New Zealand, and you will and you will have to prove that the judge is a scammer. Well, he's not a judge, for God's sake. We await your response, and please remember the 7 days expires on Wednesday, November the 28th. 7 days from now means another 7 or 8 or maybe 10 videos from me and the people that that are now working with me, which is just awesome. I'm here to support them, by the way. It's not the other way around. Regards, Peter Tan and Associates. So that's a quick video. That's my response to Fudgy Judgy's cease and desist notice. And I hope you're all having a great day. And look, I truly hope, I'm not doing this to, I'm doing this so that people wake up and realise that this guy, you know, people are hanging on just because there might be a slim chance that something might come their way. But sadly, I don't think it is going to be. I mean, you know, it's just out of control. So once again, I hope you have an awesome day, and we'll be talking to you soon. Over and out. In closing, Judge, that's my response to you, my friend, the big bird. Have a great day.